Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Hey, yeah!
Yes! Yes! Yeah! Oh, come on, you're gonna make it.
You can make it. You can make it.
Yes! It's good! It's good! Field goal!
It's good. I'm not going to cheat. I'm getting a legit field goal. Here we go.
Shit.
Legit field goal.
All right, ribbit.
Look at this tourist. Look at this tourist. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here.
I'm going to make it across. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Ooh, bunny hop.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we
Do
go.
it.
Here we go.
Hop. Hop.
It's dangerous for frogs. You don't push me.
You didn't even get hit by anything.
Ribbit.
This is so dumb. Oh shit! You almost got killed. Who was that in the street?
Me. Oh!
Goodbye, Venos.
Hit me. Hit me.
Oh god, Venos is. I just reset it. Bye, Wildcat.
To infinity and beyond.
Make a mistake.
Yes! I don't even want to look at the truck.
Oh, little guy's got it.
Little guy's got it. No, he doesn't. Guys,
You didn't even get hit by a car.
Go move.
here you go. Go, Brock. Go, Brock.
Got this,
Go,
Brock.
Link.
Got this, Brock.
Immediately gets wrecked.
When I say go, as fast as you can. Wait for it. And go. And
America!
America!
Yes. Jesus Christ. Hey guys, you like my custom hood ornament?
Yes. I'm also the alarm. Get the fuck, back the fuck up. Back the fuck up.
talking all kinds of shit.
Out of the way! Oh no! I'm not controlling us! We went straight down to the ocean. All right, boys, you ready?
Get in. We're going. No countdown. We just go. Come
Come on. Go.
We got this.
The bus driver's dead! Bus driver's dead! Somebody take the wheel! Yes! No! No!
I saw Mario jump in the driver's seat right at the end.
Me and Delirious are gonna show you guys how it's done. Remember how to use this? Okay, get the manual out of the glove compartment.
I got this.
All right, this is it. Are you sure you got it?
No, I don't know what button it
You
is.
just made me drop my $400,000.
Not that. What happened? What just fucking
Not
happened?
that was
That was
it.
the wrong button.
That was the seat airbag. Delta Psi has the upper hand.
Guys, what do you want from the store?
I mean, are you going back to the future though? I would like.
We're going back to the produce section.
Oh,
Yes.
I want some
Yes.
big fucking melons.
Okay.
Here we go.
Here we go. Yes. Yes, we're doing it. No.
That's what those fuckers
Fuck
got.
you cheaters.
Is it okay that I use an office chair?
Is it okay that I'm sideways? Brock is in a guillotine. Yeah, you don't really need wheels on the chair. I'm not sure why you have them, but whatever.
What the hell did you do? And we're all dead. Way to go, guys.
Way
Good
to
job.
fuck.
Good job.
Oh my gosh.
Anybody else want to join?
I don't think there's any room for two.
Oh, there's plenty of room. I don't. Okay, stop. I need to put fucking
The hell
thrusters
y'all
on it.
doing?
Get off the thing. Get off.
Here comes Brock. You just appeared out of nowhere. Here we go. Wingardium Leviosa. Okay.
I'll come and get you guys.
You can make it.
Wingardium Leviosa.
Stay froggy.
Navy SEAL frog. Keep a low profile, gentlemen.
Who's floating up?
Look at her. He's going to heaven, guys. He's going to
Wingardium Leviosa. Wingardium Leviosa. Okay, never mind.
Here we
Okay,
go.
hold on. Keep it in slow motion. I'm going to hit your right. Here it goes. Oh.
Okay, can someone change my color, please?
Oh my god! You're high and you haven't bathed in a week.
Change me back.
Oh my
Change me back. I don't want to live like this.
Crackhead Kermit the Frog.
Hey, you guys got some weed?
All right, everybody have your C4 floaties?
All
right, here we go.
C4
right.
floaties.
All right, listen up, frogs.
Hold on.
Hey, you don't have your floaty. Where's your C4 floaty?
I
Huh?
left it at home.
Huh?
I left it at home.
Push him on the street. Push him on the street.
No, leave me alone. You're not gonna push me because you're surrounded me.
Yes! Why are you guys floaties like bouncing up and down? What are you doing?
It's like a Kermit the Frog Pez dispenser. Hey guys, wear your C4 like a gangster.
Yeah, like a gangster. We wear our floaters real low. Real low, we
Down
gangster.
to our ankles.
Kermit the Frogger reporting for duty. Here we go. Kermit, you take
I'm
point.
going first. Oh
Come
my
on,
God,
come on, go! Don't stop! No! Holy shit. Delirious!
What?
Why are you so close to me? Back the fuck up.
I'm not. I'm so far away. I can't hear you.
Do this.
Dun, 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 dun. I am Master Frog, King Frog of the world.
Catch, motherfucker!
What?
Catch it, he said catch it.
No! Back away!
I'm kidding.
Okay.
Nogla, we're about to die.
Okay.
Oh, no, turn the other way around. Hey, turn.
Okay, I know, I'm just kidding. Delirious, say your prayers. Say your prayers.
No.
Do you have any last words? Do you have any last words?
The Frog Lord and my Soda King. It's the Frog Lord.
Oh, come on, seriously? Seriously? No, I got it!
Put it in the fucking water.
Here it comes.
No. Where's it at? Where'd it go?
Oh, shit!
We still died.
Oh, my God.
Yeah, I
It
feel
didn't matter. It didn't matter.
Shoot one more of those things, but into the water. Or did you?
Okay.
Yeah, shoot it into the water.
Water.
Like right here?
Yeah,
Right in the
just
water,
Right down.
yeah.
Or what about
Right
what about this
Right
side?
there. Just
Right in the water.
Okay, all right, this
there.
side. All right, yeah. All right, I
Into
got
the
it.
fucking water.
Okay,
No,
okay.
No, back in the water.
All right. You want this side, but the other side looks a lot nicer. Like, look at
Whatever,
that
just
background.
Put it in the water.
Okay,
It's so much.
okay.
Where'd it go?
Surprise, motherfucker.
Delirious was like, where'd it
Came
go?
out of nowhere.
Surprise, motherfucker. Hey guys, try this new ride at the amusement park. It's amazing.
How do I make it longer?
Wow. Wow, you got ripped off on this ride, Nogla.
I know, man. Fucking $5 for this.
Look at both of these two are gonna go flying.
It's
Anybody else want to join me?
now.
Look at this. It's the
Here we
retard.
go.
It's the fucking retard circus.
Everyone stay still. This is gonna be great. Perfect. Oh god! Who's bleeding like crazy? Oh my god!
me. I don't know.
Oh no! Now I'm attached to him. I'm stuck. Oh no! I'm tangled. I'm tangled. Oh my god!
Every once in a while, my body.
Oh, here
flies
comes
out
Wildcat.
Oh, crap.
Now we're all stuck. All right, everyone stop. Everyone stop. We're gonna get out of this together. Everyone stop. Everyone stop. Listen.
This is gonna take teamwork.
Rock is clearly tangled with Nogla right now. So,
Oh no shit.
Nogla, just softly turn to your left.
Oh, shit. Fuck, I'm inside people. I
Look at Mario. He's like a kite.
Help me.
fell. Bye, Mario.
I don't know what happened.
Problem solved.